Python versus Java. Syntax. Python has a simple and clean syntax that is easy to read and write, making it an excellent language for beginners. On the other hand, Java has a more complex syntax that requires more code to perform the same task. Performance. Java is known for its fast performance due to its efficient just-in-time (JIT) compiler. Python, on the other hand, is interpreted and therefore generally slower than Java. Ease of use. Python has a shorter learning curve than Java and is generally considered easier to use due to its simple syntax and dynamic typing. Java, on the other hand, has a steeper learning curve and requires more code to perform the same task. Community support. Both languages have strong community support and a large number of libraries and frameworks. However, Python has a larger and more active community with a wider range of libraries and frameworks available. Applications. Python is commonly used in data analysis, scientific computing, and artificial intelligence. While Java is used in enterprise applications, Android app development, and financial systems.